Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to help you fix a common issue where your iPhone's Face ID is not available or not working properly. So let's get started. First step is to ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes updates contain big bug fixes that can resolve Face ID issues. Go to the settings, then tap on General and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Next, let's make sure Face ID is set up correctly. Go to Settings, then on Face ID and Passcode. Now, enter your passcode if prompted. Now, check if Face ID is set up. If not, tap Set up Face ID and follow the instructions to set it up. Now, ensure that Face ID is enabled for the features you want to use it within. In Face and ID and Passcode, make sure that toggles for iPhone lock, iTunes app and App Store, Wallet and Apple Pay and other options are turned on. Sometimes Face ID doesn't work because the TrueDepth camera is dirty or obstructed. Gently clean the top of your iPhone with a soft lint-free cloth. Make sure there are no stickers or cases covering the camera. If Face ID is still not working, try resetting it in Face ID and Passcode and tap on Reset Face ID. Then set up Face ID again from scratch by tapping Set up Face ID. And that's all there is to it on how to fix the Face ID issue on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.